we will be doing a brief mindfulness practice together, aiming for a sense of calm and stability that you can take with you for the rest of this week. So, with that, let's get started. Find a comfortable position, ideally sitting down or lying down, and tune into the sense of support there. So, maybe it's your hips hanging heavy in a seat, your legs hanging heavy on the ground. Just really feel this sense of being held. And when you're ready, you can let the eyes drift closed or find a soft gaze on the ground. And take a deep breath in through the nose, allowing the breath to collect any stagnant energy, and then audibly exhale. Let it go. Another deep breath in together through the nose, allowing the breath to collect and expand the rib cage. And exhale through the mouth. Release. One more deep breath together, in through the nose, expand the chest, the rib cage, the belly, and exhale through the mouth. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm, but really tune into this sense of being supported and feeling the strength of the ground beneath you or the chair beneath you. And I want you to imagine that this energy of stability, of steadiness, of calm begins to move from wherever you're supported into the body through these contact points. And maybe you begin at the feet and start to imagine that this lightness, this energy is into the soles of the feet, the tops of the feet, up, over and through the ankles, the lower legs, the knees, the upper legs, allowing the legs to completely hang heavy as this kind of cleansing energy moves through and moves up through the hips, the belly, the back. You notice that the back opens up. Any areas where you're clenching start to release and relax. And this continue to move up the body, and it relaxes the chest, allowing the shoulders to hang heavy, the arms to hang heavy. Maybe the palms open with the fingers relaxed, opening that receptivity. The inner corridor of the neck, of the throat relaxes. The back of the neck relaxes. The jaw softens. The mouth, the cheeks, the eyes rest. The eyebrows soften. And the forehead releases any tension it might be carrying. Now tune into this sense of steadiness and of calm. And know that this is always available to you. Take a deep breath in to seal this practice, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Knowing that your breath is a tool as well. These waves of breath that allow you to come back to the body, to anchor your presence, and tap into this sense of the world around you that's so much larger than you, and that carries and supports you in every moment of every day. You are not alone. With that, you can begin to blink the eyes open and return to your surroundings. Returning to my voice, maybe wiggling the fingers or toes, knowing that you always have this quick dose of calm whenever you need it. If this resonated with you, please feel free to subscribe or follow the show, whether you're tuning in on YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Podcasts. I'm so grateful you're here and so honored to practice with you. My name is Samantha Fackler, and we'll chat soon.